And we call back again our top three.
Together with the rest of our BBBs. And again, allow me to reiterate the criteria for judging for our top three. Further answers from that question and answer portion round. Content of their answer, 35 points. Delivery of answer, 35 points. Relevance to the question, 30 points. That's a total of 100 points. Beauty of face, 70 points. And poise and elegance, 30 points for another 100%.
Wow! There you go, Urbaneta City. Are you excited to know kung sino ang ating winners for tonight? Before the announcement, gusto ko lang magpasalamat Sir Eric Tihita and of course, Inang Mari Fernandez.
Yes, Marlon, thank you so much to our suit.
Yes, Mark Rafael. Maraming salamat for bringing the night.
Luis Makeup Artist, thank you so much.
Also, I would like to thank my glam team, Baby Vex for my hair, John Anthony Aquino for my makeup, and of course, who actually assisted me also during my change outfit, si Mami Vaughn and Mami Elsa. Thank you so much po. And also to the rest of our glam team, Valerie Kinsay, Iya Damasco, and Valerie Kinsay and Iya Damasco for our judges as well, for glamifying them. Maraming salamat po for making us beautiful and dashing tonight. But we're now running to award our top three Binibinis, and we start this off with
Second runner-up.
To present the award for our second runner-up, may we call it our Binibini Urdaneta 2024 second runner-up, Miss Million Abenahar, together with Councilor Jan Gancha, Councilor Bless Samara, Councilor Jose Roy Paraino, and Councilor Renzi Paraino. May we also invite our judges, Mr. Jonathan Santos and Miss Heaven Moran. Our second runner-up will also receive 20,000 worth of products from Beauty Derm.
wow, thank you so much again to Beauty Derm. Napaka-generous 20,000 pesos worth of Beauty Derm products. Grabe, a month long of preparation from rehearsals to the pre-pageant night, and we're now down to the most awaited event tonight, the crowning of our new queens. Urdaneta, this year's Binibini Urdaneta 2025 second runner-up is Binibini congratulations again. And of course, our second runner-up will be receiving 20,000 worth of beauty derm products. But not only will our winners will receive beauty derm products, actually, all of our beanies, our 27 beanies also will be receiving beauty derm products. Ayan po ang ating beauty derm gift packs to all our beanies. Grabe! Sabi ko, isa to sa mga gusto kong iuwi tonight. Kasi grabe po talaga ang laman ng beauty derm. And of course, again, thank you so much to Beauty Derm. Napaka-generous na po to the CEO, Ms. Ray and Tan. Thank you so much again, Beauty Derm. Maraming salamat po. Our 27 candidates, our 27 babies will also be receiving Beauty Derm products.
Thank you so much, Beauty Derm, for being generous, magnanimous this evening.
Thank you very much, our CEO, Bob Ray. Thank you very much.
Also for bringing one shot because of Beauty Derm products, ladies and gentlemen. Very sexy, very youthful.
Are you using Beauty Derm also, Christine?
Yes, actually, even if I'm not an ambassador,
Don't worry, the CEO heard you already.
one of my friends actually is an ambassador.
Thank you so much, wow, that's great. Because you're beautiful, I know you're using Beauty Derm. So, Jeffoy, you use Beauty Derm as well.
And maraming salamat po sa Beauty Derm. But, to the last two ladies, two binibinis standing in front of you, may I ask that both of you step forward?
Urdaneta, this is it!
The moment you've all been waiting for, from 30 to 15 to 8 to 3, and now down to our last two remaining binibinis. Urdaneta, the first binibini that I'm going to call is your new queen, which automatically means that the name or the barangay that I'm not going to call automatically is your first runner-up.
Handa na ba, mga taga-Urdaneta? Wow! Christine, ang naman ng ating team bahay.
For sure, nako, comments will be overflowing. All right. Now, I'd like to know first who will help us award our wins tonight.
Superstar the award for our first runner-up. May we call in our Binibining Ordinata 2024 first runner-up, Stephanie Ann Almashon, together with Councilor Maria Teresa Perez Miguiwan, Councilor Aline Absolute, Councilor Warren Andrada, together with Councilor Franklin Villanueva, and our judges, Ms. Andre Lastimosa, Ms. Gwen Melise Soriano. Our first runner-up will receive 13,000 worth of products from Beauty Derm.
And for our grand winner,
And our Binibining Ordinata 2025 will receive 25,000 cash and 1,000 Beauty Derm products and will become Beauty Derm Ambassador and a 40,000 custom-made dress valid for 1 year from Mason, Vladimir, and Savara. And to present the award, may we call in our Binibining Ordinata 2024, Miss Rosemary Era, Mayor Rami Berlino, Dr. Rachel F. Berlino, CEO of Beauty Derm, Board Member Rosa Baga, Miss Ray Anikoshi Tan, and Miss Vladimir Echevarri herself.
Ordinata She will also be receiving 100,000 pesos worth of beauty derm products and an additional 25,000 pesos cash from Beauty Derm.
Wow!
Grabe! Iba talaga pag Beauty
Iba ang
Derm.
beauty derm. Once